Hey guys, I'm Lipika and you're watching my channel Art in Blood, and today I'm gonna continue the portrait tutorial part 2. If you haven't watched the part 1 tutorial, then check my description box, you will get the link over there. And today I will show you how to use color pencils. So let's begin. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications from my channel. I am using Prisma Scholar pencils and Fabercastel polychromos. I have given the link of the pencil colors in the description box. I am applying a very thin layer of this green color on the left eyeball. If you are a beginner, then you can buy cheap color pencils for practice like Domes, Fabercastel, and there are many more. I have given the link of these pencil colors in the description box. These are easily available in any stationery shop. I have tried my best to keep this video short and informative. I am only showing you the important portions in this video. My drawing page is cheap and it's only 150 GSM. For color pencil sketch, you need to have a thick paper for applying layers of color for better result. 150 GSM paper is good enough for beginners, but it's difficult to apply multiple layers of color. If you try to apply a thick layer of color on a cheap or thin paper, then the color just slips off, and if you try hard on it, then your paper may get damaged or get dirty strokes of color. So I realized that I should have switched to thick papers earlier. When you feel that you have practiced almost well, then you can buy 250 to 300 GSM paper, and also there are more thick papers available, but they are costly, so it's upon you and your comfort zone. As you can see, it takes a lot of patience and time to work on a single part of the face. Take your time and work well. You can see I am blending the color slowly. I also use white pencil color to blend, and when I was a beginner, I used to apply Vaseline to blend, and nowadays I use Vaseline for blending very rarely. I am making the white marks on the eyebrow by erasing the area, but actually it doesn't work really well. For making better white lines, I will use white glass marking pencil later. Now just observe the color blending. I am giving a layer of a light pink shade on the nose. Now I am using a darker pink shade, and then I will blend with the light pink color, and then I will blend further with the white color pencil. Again I am applying dark pink shade on the shadowed area of the nose. I am using the darkest red from my color set, and I will also use a cherry red color on some portions and blend with the dark red, dark pink and white. So this is how I blend my pencil colors. Just practice and remember to start your color pencil artwork with a light and thin layers of color to darker shade as needed in your drawing. I'm skipping this portion quickly because I want to show you the strokes of the hair. There are many people who asked me to show the color strokes on hair. As you can see, I am making a thin layer with the light green color. Now I am using a slightly darker green and I am giving the stroke starting from the middle section of the hair. Just observe in which direction the hair is going and draw short strokes. The hair may look flat in the beginning, but when I will add darker strokes, it will take its shape like a hair strand. So this is how it goes. Now let me show you how I make the background. This is Shudha dry pastels. These colors are basically like chalks, but they are very soft unlike a chalk. I am using a tissue paper to blend the color. So yep, this is what you need to do. After this, I will use a black sketch pen to make the eyes, nose, hair and shirt more prominent and dark, and I will use an earbud to blend. Because my paper quality is not so good, it won't be able to hold any more layers of dark pencil. We are almost done. I am just making highlights and details with my white glass marking pencil. And this is the final result. I hope my tutorial videos will help you all. Just keep supporting. Hasta la vista and don't say alvida. Thanks for watching. Bye.